Hi, I'm Tony Crimlisk. He's got the whole world in his hands. Very popular song. It's been credited to many people, but it's in fact a traditional African American spiritual. I'll sing it, then I'll tell you a bit more about it. He got the whole world in his hands. He got the whole wide world in his hands. He got the whole world in his hands. He got the whole world in his hands. He got you and me, brother, in his hands. He got you and me, brother, in his hands. He got you and me, brother, in his hands. He got the whole world in his hands. He got you and me, sister, in his hands. He got you and me, sister, in his hands. He got you and me, sister, in his hands. He got the whole world in his hands. He got little bitty baby in his hands. He got the itty bitty baby in his hands. He got the itty bitty baby in his hands. He got the whole world in his hands. Oh, he's got everybody in his hands. He got everybody in his hands. He got everybody in his hands. He got the whole world in his hands. As I say, this is a traditional African American spiritual, so it goes back a long way. But it was first published in 1927, and it's been recorded many times by singers and by choirs, including Mahalia Jackson, Marian Anderson, Nina Simone, Pete Seeger, and many others. And Judy Garland sang it in a duet with her daughter, Lisa Minnelli, at her official presentation. Then it became an international pop hit in 1957-8 in a recording by the 13-year-old English singer Laurie London, who became one of the best-selling gospel songs of all time, earning a gold disc. It's also a great song for beginners because it's only got 2 chords. I'm singing it in the easiest key in F, but it's often written in C, so I'll often include a version in C at the end. If you're singing the song in the key of F, the first note to sing would be a C, which is the 3rd fret of string 1. You'd sing like this. He's got the whole world in his hands. He's got the whole, and so on like that. If you sing in the key of C, then the first note to sing would be a G, which is the 3rd fret of string 2. He got the whole world in his hand, and so on like that. He got the whole world in his hand. He got the whole. The pattern is the same for both cases. You start off with chord 1, which is chord in the key of F, would be an F chord. He got the whole of 2 bars of F in his 2 bars for C7, 2, 3. That's a chord 5, 7. Back to F again for 2 bars, and then 1 bar of C7, and then 1 bar of F again. If you're singing the key, the pattern is exactly the same, but this time the chord that you're playing, number 1, would be a C chord. And 5, 7 would be a G7. So it works exactly the same, and the same pattern. One suggestion would be to start off in the key of C, and then halfway through to change to the F version. And you do that simply by playing a C7 chord to join the 2 together. So you start off playing in C. He's got the whole world in his hands. He got the whole wide world in his hands. And let's see. He got the whole world. And you carry on the key of F. It lifts the whole thing and makes it a little more exciting. Anyway, whatever you do and how you decide to do it, have fun.